How to change cloth colors in Photoshop. Now first of all I'll select the quick selection tool, and here let's say I want to change the color of this cloth. I'll select the area, and here I'll go to this selective color tool. Now I'll play around with this. Let's say I'll do this and magentas. You can slide around according to the color which do you want. Reds, I'll increase, or do this, and this will affect the most. Neutrals here and here. So let's see before and after. This was before and this is after. So this is how you can change the color of clothes in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.